The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cottage Grove to 6 miles southwest of Edgerton to Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Waterloo, Williams Bay, Walworth, Johnson Creek, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, and Como. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Orfordville to near McChesney Park to near Hillcrest, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rochelle, Davis Junction, and Hillcrest around 2:15 p.m. Belvedere, Loves Park, and Cherry Valley around 2:20 p.m. Poplar Grove, Candlewick Lake, Kirkland, and Timberlane around 2:25 p.m. Sharon, Capron, and Kingston around 2:35 p.m. Harvard and Genoa around 2:40 p.m. Baringo around 2:45 p.m. Woodstock and Hampshire around 2:55 p.m. Lake, Indiana, the Hills, Hunley, and Hebron around 3 p.m. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A severe